Good morning, Mr. Noval. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Good morning. Yes, I can see and hear you perfectly. Thank you for having me today. I am excited about this opportunity.
Thank you for joining us today. Let's get started. To begin with, could you please introduce yourself and tell us a little about your educational background?
Good morning and thank you for having me. My name is Noval Alfarozi and I recently graduated from Polytechnic LPTGI Jakarta with a degree in computer accounting. Throughout my study, I focus on both accounting principles and the integration of technology in accounting system. I've had hands-on experience using software like Mayob, Accurate, and Microsoft Excel for various financial tasks, such as financial reporting and data analysis. I am excited to apply for the staff accounting position and contribute to your team.
It's great to hear. What made you choose computerized accounting as your major, and how do you feel it has prepared your you for a career in accounting?
I've always had an interest in both technology and accounting, and I saw computer accounting as the perfect blend of the two fields. The major allowed me to not only understand the theoretical aspect of accounting, but also to apply them through various accounting software. For example, I've learned how to automate process like journal entries and generate real-time financial report, which can save time and reduce error. This practical application has given me confidence that I can efficiently manage accounting tasks.
It sounds like you've gained a lot of valuable skill. Can you describe a specific project or experience from your studies where you apply this skill?
Sure, during my final semester, I worked on pro- on a project where I was tasked with handling the accounting for a small retail business. I use Mayop to manage their accounts payable, accounts receivable, and generate monthly financial statement. One challenge I faced was ensuring that all transactions were recorded accurately, especially since the business had a larger number of transactions each day. I implemented a system to regularly reconcile their account, which helped identify discrepancies early and maintain accurate record. By the end of the project, I had successfully streamlined their accounting process and the business owner were able to make more informed financial decisions.
That's great example. How do you typically approach problem solving, especially when dealing with financial dis discrepancies?
When dealing with differences, I first try to trace the problem back to its source by reviewing transaction record. invoice, and any related document. I pay close attention to detail and double check my work to ensure that every figure aligns. If I find an error, I assess whether it was a on-time mistake or part of larger issue. From there, I work on resolving it and preventing similar issues in the future by improving process. For example, during one of my internships, I noticed that several invoices were being processed late, which led to late payment penalties. I identified that the problem was with the approval process, so I suggested streamlining it by using digital approval, which significantly reduces delay.
That's thoughtful approach. Speaking of internship, could you tell us more about your internship experience and how it has shaped your re- readiness for this role?
Of course, I had the opportunity to intern at BUMN, where I was part of the finances department. My role, I fulfilled assisting with daily accounting tasks and recalling bank statement, processing payroll, and helping to prepare financial report. One of the most valuable experience during the internship was working under tight deadlines while maintaining accuracy. I also collaboration with other departments which document the importance of clear communication in ensuring that financial information is properly shared and understood. The internship helped me apply the knowledge I gained in the classroom to real-world scenarios, and it gave me a clearer understanding of how accounting support overall business operation.
That's very insightful. As you mentioned, dealing with deadline, how do you manage your time when handling multiply tasks with strict deadline?
Time management is something I've worked hard to improve throughout my study and internship. I usually start by breaking down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. I also prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance, and I use tools like Excel or task management apps to keep track of deadlines during busy period, such as final exam or financial reporting deadlines. I feel learned to stay organized by setting specific goals for each day and sticking to a schedule. This approach helped me stay focused and ensures that I meet deadlines without sacrificing the quality of my work.
Very well said. Now, how do you keep yourself updated with the last trend or change in accounting, especially with the growing reliance on technology?
I believe continuous learning is crucial, especially in accounting where technology is rapidly evolving. I make it a point to stay updated by reading industry publications, following accounting blogs, and taking online courses. For example, I recently completed a course on cloud accounting, which covers how businesses are moving their financial system to cloud-based platforms like Xero. I am also interested in learning more about automation tools such as robotic process automation that can help improve efficiency and accounting process. By staying informed about this trend, I hope to bring innovative ideas to the table and help organizations adapt to new technologies.
That's a proactive approach. One last question. Why do you believe you are the best fit for the staff accounting position at our company?
I, I believe I am a strong fit for this position because I not only have the technical accounting skill, but I also bring a strong understanding of, of how technology can improve accounting process. My background is computer accounting has equipped me with practical experience in using accounting software, which I know is essential in today's fast-paced environment. I am also a quick learner. I am always eager to find ways to improve efficiency and accuracy. I am confident that I can contribute to your team's success and help streamline your accounting process.
Thank you for, Thank you for sharing that. We'll be reviewing your application and we'll get back to you soon. Do you have any question for us before we end this?
Thank you for the opportunity. I would like to know more about the company approach to professional development and whether there are opportunities for further training in the accounting department.
That's a great question. We place a strong emphasis on professional growth and provide regular training opportunities for our staff. We also encourage participation in external workshop and certification. We'll definitely share more detail as we move forward. Thank you again for your time.
Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you.